Risks from stronger and more frequent storms are increasing. One major storm can cost billions, displacing entire coastal populations and severely damage or destroy habitat. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management partners with other government agencies and communities to address serious erosion along the nation's coastal beaches. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management is the only federal agency with the authority to lease offshore sand from federal waters for coastal restoration projects. These projects are critical to reducing risks from future storms and maintaining beach and dune features to support wildlife, recreation, tourism, and national security.